Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about Alliant credit cards. I've been seeing a lot of people get approved for this credit card, even up to $20,000, 20,000, 10,000. Somebody had a lower credit score and they actually got $2,500, but I still thought that was good for those people that have a low credit score and you want to get in with a good credit union and you want to get a good card. You can get in with this one, and if you have a great score, you can get a high limit. So I really like this company, what is credit union. Now when it comes down to the credit unions, don't forget, you guys, you have to get an account with them. So the first thing I want you guys to understand is you have to have an account with them. I talk to you guys about Navy Fed all the time and about how you guys have to have an account with them also. This is much easier. They're letting anyone into the credit union. At first it was restricted where only certain people can get in, but now everybody can get into it. It's been like that for a while now, and I want you guys to get you a checkings account or a savings account. If you could look over, if you hover over bank, they have different things. You can get some savings account, checkings account, but just get an account with them. Now I like their checkings account because of the fees. Sometimes with other banks, they have it where you have to have a minimum amount in your account. And I'm thinking about the people that maybe need to just get in with the credit union, but they don't want to pay a fee on that account if they don't have a certain amount in there. But I really like their checkings account because you guys don't have no monthly fee on it and no minimum balance requirement. So you can start building a relationship with them through your checkings account. You guys have over, you guys will have access to over 80,000 ATMs. So fee-free ATMs. So you guys can go to so many different ATMs and pull out money. So I really like that. And then you guys will get $20 a month in the ATM fee rebates. So that's really good too. No overdraft fees, but make sure you guys read the fine print on that, which is that, that right there is amazing for those people that sometimes have their account overdrawn. And you guys are going to get a higher interest rate. You guys are going to get a higher rate of return on your money. So that's really good. Now, after you guys get your account with them, where there's going to be check-ins or a savings account, then you guys can go ahead and apply for their credit cards. Now, if it was me, if I was to get a credit card, or at this moment, what I would like to get a credit card with like a 0% interest rate for a certain amount of months. So that's their Visa Platinum, where you guys will have a 0% interest rate. That's your rate when you first get started. You're going to have that for 12 months. And then after that, you're going to have a rate between 10.24% and 22.24%. And there's going to be a balance transfer fee of 2% of the transfer amount with a $5 minimum. So you guys are going to pay a balance transfer fee for this credit card. Even for this one too, it's 3% for this one. But for those people that want to do a balance transfer, just go ahead and see if you can get another card without the fee. And I believe I have a video on that. If not, I'm going to make a video if you want me to. Go ahead and let me know in the comments. But you can go ahead and do a balance transfer for this one too if you can't get another credit card. At least you guys will have that 0% for 12 months. Because you guys get 0% for purchases and balance transfers. So that's really good. And you guys get that $0 fraud liability. A lot of credit cards have that same thing. But you guys definitely have it with this, and no annual fee. So I really like that. So that's the platinum one. Now, their Visa signature, the best thing about this one is the cash back. The cash back, you guys can earn up to 2.5% cash back. And this is for like all of your purchases. But it's going to be up to $10,000. And then after that, it's going to go down to 1.5%. Like, they can't let y'all run it up too much with the 2.5%. But yeah, you guys, so I really like that you guys have the 2.5% for the first 10,000. That's really good. And if you guys are doing what you need to do in terms of you purchasing things with your credit, if you purchasing things with your credit card, you guys can earn a lot of cash back that way. Now, your rate's going to be as low as 12.24%. No foreign transaction fees, so that's really good, especially if you're using your card out the country. And no annual fee. And then you guys have that $0 fraud liability also. Now, this right here is their credit. This is the actual credit card too, if you want to actually go deeper into the credit card, this is the Visa Signature. This is the one that has a 2.5% cash back. So definitely, you guys, they have other rewards you guys can you have different tiers in terms of your rewards. You have tier 1 and you have tier 2. Now tier 1 is where you guys are going to get the 2.5% cash back on your first $10,000 of qualifying purchases, and also the 1.5% cash back on all the other purchases. If you do not qualify for tier 1 during a calendar quarter, you can automatically earn tier 2 rewards in the following quarter. So you guys will get the 1.5% cash back on all of your purchases and no annual fee. Now, don't forget, you guys have to make sure y'all get an account with them, so that you guys can actually get a credit card with them. You have to have an account with them. So definitely go ahead and get your account, whether it's going to be a checkings account or a savings account. You guys can decide which one you want to actually get. They have different ones you guys can actually choose from, so that's really good. After you do that, go ahead and apply for the credit card. Now, I do want you guys, when applying for the credit card, I would like you guys to understand they're going to pull Transunion, and I want you to have like a 640 credit score. Like, that would be a decent credit score to just get in the door. But the higher the score, the better. Don't forget, you guys, the higher the score, the better. So definitely you want to have a higher score to get a higher limit a lot of times. But I like their savings account too, you guys. Look at the the percentage rate, you guys. You're gonna have 55%. That is 0.55%. That is really good. I might even think about even getting their savings account, and I guess I'll tell you guys how that even goes. But if you guys get approved for this credit card, definitely let me know. It's 2 of them. You guys get the Visa Platinum or the Visa Signature. Definitely let me know. If you guys want me to make a video about any other credit card, or maybe you need to ask me a question, go ahead and drop them down in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer your questions. And if I make you a video, I'll make sure I send you the actual link to the video, and I'll make sure I tag you in the video. But thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.